Menteri Barim ke Sarkar Jelau James P.K. Sangma bolong ru no aiktian jong ke National People's Party ulong bolong uba Kloi ban ko ngo ya ke jing batha jong ke parti pada ke Ibit benten rong hau naga bentaban Mihkhmat ya ke Jela Meghalaya Rajya Sabha. Hagajnya kera Meghalayat pathai kubor haka khandai tuk lalingkot arajar apun riu. Uji Sangma ulong baka parti hi hadu menta kepat ekran AA halokani kekam namar baka samoy jong MP ke Rajya Sabha uba Mihkhmat naga Jela Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Khaluki kandang kun hadu benai jeliu arajar apun riu.
I think that the election and the tenure of Dr. Khaluki is yet to come to an end. So I think that it's, as you're rightly using the word speculation, there can only be speculation for now. But only thing I would like to say is that if the party were to give me any kind of responsibility, I am willing to take up any assignment or any responsibility that the party may so deem necessary or fit for me.
But talks are there that you will be the right choice for this position?
I'm very grateful to those people who are, mentioning that I'm the right person for this assignment. But having said that, as I said, that I've never shied away from any assignment or any responsibility, and if the party so feels, and if the people of the state so feel, yes, I will be deeply honored. Okay.